So we're here with Jamaica College standout, Dylon Chan. You came on the second half and you had an amazing second half. Speak to us about what you were instructed by your coach going onto the field.
Well, before going on to the pitch, the coach gave me a simple task. He said first I came on the left wing. Yeah, he just said get the ball, try cutting kick or go to the back, the line, square back. So I did that, then rotated me into the mid pitch, and all he said was just hold it out.
Alright, so there are games where you start for JC, there are games where you come off the bench. Speak to us about the difference in starting and coming off the bench.
Alright, when I bench, it makes me play better because I don't like benching, but it just makes me want to show more of myself why I don't want to bench, if you understand what I'm saying.
Alright, so Jamaica College has had a good season thus far, going perfect except for Catherine, I think, where you dropped 2 points. Speak to us about the season thus far. How do you feel about Jamaica College's season?
Well, first 3 games we got the 3 points still, but the team hasn't started to gel until our previous game against Holy Trinity. That Catherine game, the fans just got the best of us, so we just try to go back to the training ground and get better for the next game.
And going forward, how will Dylon Chan and Jamaica College continue to perform for the rest of the Manning Cup?
Well, I think we're getting on right, so we should be more dangerous than even today, so we just try to sharpen up.
Alright, good game, sir.
Thank you, sir.